one is not the easiest to come out. I'm gonna give this advent calendar a try, guys. In this video we are going to be unboxing the ELF Cosmetics advent calendar. This one here is the ELFtastic 12-day advent calendar, and it is holographic. Hello! In this one we have the best sellers of the brand, and we have 12 products. The price for this one is 45 euros, and they claim that the overall value is 55 euros, which is not that great. This is not a gift set. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see a makeup tutorial with the products of this advent calendar, and also subscribe for more unboxing videos. This year we have more and more brands entering the advent calendar arena. Let the unboxing begin. Door number 1 is here. It looks like a lipstick, but maybe it is very thin. I'm not very sure that you can see the door with this hollow design. It's my favorite brow mascara. This one here is the Wow Brow Mascara. It is in a neutral brown. Actually, this is what I have now on my brows, but what is the shade? Deep brown. The packaging is not the same. Maybe they have changed something. It has microfibers, so if you have very thin brows, this can work for you. And I'm curious if we have the same applicator. Yeah, I think it's exactly the same. I'm gonna try this one as well for days especially that I don't apply a lot of makeup. I would like to see if this one works for me. So this is not gonna work for very dark brow here, and this one is even lighter than what I have now on my brows. I would prefer if this one was transparent. Why not? Next product. This is door number 2. I'm gonna say a lipstick again until I find it. Oh, we have a lipstick, and this is the Seriously Satiny lipstick. We have it in the shade Taffy, and I have actually bought this for a review that I'm gonna post in a couple of days. This one here is mine. So let's see the color. This is the beautiful color that we have. It is very creamy, and also we have a satin finish. The pigmentation is insane. Door number 3. I'm gonna say a blush. Okay, it's not. It is obviously not. And this one is the Hello Hydration Face Cream. We have 15 grams of product. It smells like skincare. I don't know why I'm sniffing this product. Bad habits. We have a lot of drugstore brands now with skincare products, so I'm not sure if this is a full size or a mini size. Let me know in the comments. Door number 4. It looks like the mini eyeshadow palettes. Ta-da! I'm right! This is the bite-size eyeshadow palette in the shade Cream and Sugar. I have already done a review and makeup tutorial for this palette. Okay, I'm back. And this is the new one. This is mine. You can see. It is beaten up. I have done also a swatches video for all of the bite-size eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to link it in the description box below. Also the makeup tutorial that I did with this one. I think I have used all of the bite-size eyeshadow palettes, and this one is my most favorite because of the color story. It has a matte shade that you can darken up your eye look. Also this shade here to highlight. All of the other palettes have shimmery and matte eyeshadows, but this is the only one that you don't need to use another palette. The quality of the eyeshadows is really great, and I'm also gonna do a video about the Retro Paradise collection, so stay tuned. Door number 5 looks like an eye pencil or brow pencil or lip pencil. And we have... Nope! This is not a pencil. And we have here a blending brush. It has a very nice design. It is very smooth and elegant. I don't like all black brushes because I have a lot of them and I can't find them. So this one feels very soft. It is a tapered blending brush. I have never tried their brushes. Some of you told me that you like the ELF brushes a lot, so I'm going to buy a brush set as well and try them out. Door number 6. What could it be? Think. I'm gonna say a lipstick just because I have no clue. Oh, it's not. It's okay. And this is the liquid glitter eyeshadow. We have it in the shade something with cranberries. Cranberry. Okay, yeah, cranberry. This is so festive, and it looks like it has some micro glitter. Let's swatch it. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. That's so gorgeous. I'm not very sure if this is a limited edition product. It is setting very fast. Okay, maybe that's not bad. The nice thing is that the micro glitter are not moving. So door number 7 here. I'm gonna say a bronzer. Nope, it's not. Yeah, this one is not the easiest to come out. This one is the Poreless Putty Primer. I have seen Tati using this a lot. I have never tried it, so I'm very curious to see how it is. And let's open it. Ooh, okay. I was waiting for something else, I don't know. So I'm gonna take a little bit and I want to see the texture. It's a little bit thicker in consistency. As I can see, it smooths out the skin. Okay, that's very promising. So I don't have a lot of primers like this one. I'm very curious to see how it looks on my face. This one here is door number 8. So I'm gonna say a skincare product. And we have here the makeup mist and set. It doesn't say if this can mattify or it can illuminate your skin, so I have no idea. I will update you on the day that we're gonna test all of the products. Let's see the mist. Okay, the mist is not bad, I think. Door number 9 here. I'm guessing it is a lip gloss. Okay, I was very close. This one here is the Ride or Die Lip Balm and we have it in the shade Boss Berry. I have this again. This is mine and this is the new one. And let's see the color of it. It smells very nice. It smells strawberries, not just berries. Oh my god, that was thick. And oh, this is very thick. You can use this lip balm with the lipstick that we got. It smells so nice, very nice. I like that it has this tint of color and also this very glossy finish. Let's continue with door number 10. I have no clue. Give me my lip gloss. Oops. We have here the lip lacquer in the shade Bubbles. Bubbles. I think the name is Bubbles. Let's see how it looks. We have a doe foot applicator. It has a sweet chemical scent, but it smells nice. This one has some very fine micro glitter. It reminds me the Crystal Lip Glosses by Essence. It is super glossy and it looks very nice. I like products like this one. 11 looks like a beauty sponge. Am I right? Yes, and it is so soft. Ta-da! It is a little bit smooshed, but it's fine. And we have this beautiful burgundy beauty sponge. I don't know if this is the regular color of the sponges by ELF Cosmetics. It is very soft, but it's not like the beauty blender. That one is absorbing a lot of product because of the softness. I think I'm gonna like this one. We have door number 12 here. I have no idea what it hides, so let's open it. Oh, yeah, I would have never guessed this one. We have an eyelash curler. I have one more by Tarte Cosmetics. I don't usually use them, so I don't buy them. And it's different than the Tarte, but that doesn't mean it's not good. I'm back. Moment of truth. I have good and bad news as well. It was very weird. I couldn't find the price for this one here because they don't have it on their website. They have another face cream. It is called Holy Hydration, not Hello Hydration. So I don't know what happened with this one. These products are minis, but they are not stingy, so it's okay. I think that this advent calendar is expensive for the products that we are getting. The price should be around $25, not more. I think this is pricey for just 12 products by ELF. About the variety, it's nice. The only product that I would change is this one here, the Wow Brow Gel Mascara. We could have a regular mascara for everyone. The overall value for this advent calendar is $52, which is not great at all. You can buy at the same price the Holland & Barrett advent calendar. That one has 25 products and the overall value is $160. Yes, this advent calendar exists. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 4 stars. However, I don't think that this is worth the money. In my opinion, it is better to keep your $45 and buy exactly the products that you want by ELF Cosmetics. They have very nice products. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this advent calendar. You can find here more unboxing videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! This year we have more and more marks, brands. Again, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see an advent calendar. No, a makeup tutorial from the top, people. Let me know in the thoughts. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 45 stars. I was gonna say, that's a wrap, everyone. Woohoo!